Introduction.
Hey, look this picture. A Greek mathematician performing a geometric construction with a compass from the School of Athens by Raphael. Do you know how does geometry originate? It appears to have originated from the need for measuring land. You know, today our teacher is going to teach us a different form of geometry. What is that? Euclidean geometry. It is a mathematical system attributed to the Alexandrian Greek mathematician Euclid, which he described in his textbook. Come, let's go to the class and learn.
Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand Euclid's definitions, identify various axioms and postulates, understand equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate, solve examples related to Euclid's axioms and postulates. Introduction to Euclid. Euclid from approximately 325 to 265 BC is called the father of geometry, not because he invented it, but because his book Elements is the oldest geometry text we have in the Western world today. Euclid believed each part of geometry should be based on previously proven parts. However, something has to be the starting point, and he proposed 4 undefined terms and 5 basic axioms. The rest of Euclidean geometry is based upon these basic building blocks. Euclid's definition. Euclid divided the elements into 13 chapters, each called a book. These books has influenced the whole world's understanding of geometry for generations to come. He began his exposition by listing 23 definitions in Book 1 of the Elements. A few of them are: a point is that which has no part, a line is breadth less length, the ends of a line are points, a straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself, a surface is that which has length and breadth only, the edges of a surface are lines, a plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines on itself. Point to remember. A point, a line, and a plane are concepts only, and these terms are taken as undefined. Axioms. Euclid describes axioms and postulates, which we will discuss here. The axioms or common notions are about relationships. What does equal mean? How do you add or subtract things? And so on. These are assumptions which are self-evident truths. Some of Euclid's axioms or common notions are: 1. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. 2. If equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. 3. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. 5. The whole is greater than the part. 6. Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. 7. Things which are halves of the same things are equal to one another. Postulates. The postulates talk about straight lines, circles, right angles, and parallel lines. These have been defined already. Euclid's postulates are 5 in number. First postulate is: a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Postulate second is: a terminated line can be produced indefinitely.